Today you will learn the difference between Meta Business Manager and Meta Ad Account. Meta Business Manager is an area where different meta assets like Meta Page, Instagram account, Ad account, Meta Pixel, WhatsApp account, they are located. This is a central hub where different assets of your Meta business are located in one place. Everything is located in Meta Business Manager. You can have your colleagues or different team members in your Meta Business Manager, and you can give them different access so that they can perform the appropriate duties. On the other hand, Meta Ad Manager is an interface or an area or a place where you can create and manage your ads. You can track their performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. You can target your ads based on variety of factors like age, gender, interest, behavior, location, connections, etc., and making it easier to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. You can do A/B testing on audiences, creatives, headline, primary text, detail targeting, and many more elements of your campaigns. That's it for the video. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content on Meta and Instagram campaigns, subscribe to the channel.